Alright, so I'm here working on the Kawasaki KFX 700. Couple videos in this series. First thing I did was drain the oil. You can go back and see that. I haven't put oil back in it because I haven't finished the project yet, but I removed the plug from the bottom, pulled the oil out. I've got a jug underneath here that's full of oil. The last video I wanted to drain out some of the antifreeze and stuff from the radiator. So this plug, or this bolt here, was the one that I removed and drained out. I made the video and I was talking about it while I was running out, but after the video it actually started to pour out faster. What I'm going to do now is this line here, this hose, it's got these two little bendable clamps here. I've done those. I'm going to pull this out of the way. This hose goes down into the water pump here. I'm going to go ahead and take the water pump cover off and move that out of the way. And then after that, I'm going to pull this cover off and then pull the stator cover off. I'm trying to remove the mechanical seal that's back there. That's going to be the end result. So this video would just be me removing the water pump, and then I'll make another video of me messing with the actual stator covers. So let me go ahead and get these bolts out for the water pump. Looks like 4 bolts. They are 8mm. Loosen those up. I would imagine there's going to be more antifreeze and stuff falling out. If you've watched the other videos, then I would imagine you might be getting tired of me talking about what the problem is, but they just below this water pump there's a hose coming out of the motor. It's coming out of the case. Actually, I guess it's the stator covers. It's where it's coming out of, or just behind the water pump cover. And that hose has a filter on it, and this thing's been leaking. I don't know if it's straight up oil or if it's a mixture of oil and antifreeze or what, but you gotta remember that. So if you can, I'll just say this for myself when I put it back. This short one was kind of top left. There's a long one just came out of the bottom right. Up top right. I hate them when they're all different lengths. Long one up top right, and then bottom right. Let's see what this one is. It might be a short one. Who knows? Anyway, I was having oil every time I'd go to move my four-wheeler. It's a short one. Short one on the bottom left. Those were the 4 for the water pump. Every time I go to move it, I find a puddle of oil underneath, and it had run down to the front. I couldn't figure it out because it was coming out from the front, kind of where the A-arms come in. And it was, what was happening, it was coming out of the bottom hose and running down the skid plate. And after Googling it, sounds like it's the mechanical seal. So that's what I'm getting into today, or I'm gonna at least start today. Ooh, there we go. That's the mess I was trying to avoid, but it didn't spill too much. So I got a bunch of stuff running out there. I had the tub down there. So all of the antifreeze is running out. Now the mechanical seal is behind that impeller there. And to get to him, I have to take the impeller off, and I'm gonna have to take the this whole case off, or cover, stator cover, to get to it. From what I understand, it's actually behind. We're actually in the stator cover. Let me remind everybody that I am not a mechanic. I guess I'm a backyard mechanic, or someone who just likes to take things apart. I can actually take things apart better than I can put them back together, for the most part. But I don't mind trying. So we got that off. Yeah, it was a lot more fluid in there. From the little bolt I had taken out, it had kind of stopped draining. So once that's done, I'm gonna kind of fold this out of the way some. It's funny to pull it back. Get it all over my Nerf bar. Let me get some kind of rag to lay down. Kind of soak it up some. I do apologize for the terrible lighting in here. This shop, we're actually in the process of painting the walls white. I'm trying to get more lights up because the lighting is awful. Man, the thing's got a lot of fluid in it. This thing just keeps on leaking. I'll have to wash this Nerf bars out, the netting really well afterwards. Let's see, I don't know if we'll let that drain for a little bit. This thing, oh, it's actually locked. I might be able to loosen it up right now. Alright, so what I'm going to do now is try to loosen up the impeller some. That got that one bolt right there. Let's see. Oh, and it's not an 8. Guess it's a 10. Let's see. I thought it would be an 8. Look, it kind of looks small, but now that I'm looking at it again, it looks a little bit bigger. Oh, we got an extension. It's out of the way. Alright. There we go. Oh, it's gonna turn. How do I? Oh, the whole thing's coming out. Oh, I hope that's what was supposed to happen. I was expecting that bolt to come off. Alright. So here's the impeller. Alright. Now I'm starting to get into some stuff I don't know. I don't expect that too much. Alright, let me get the other mechanical seal out and look at it. Hopefully you got a second or two to look at this. I don't remember that bolt being here. Alright, so here's the new one. Alright. Alright, so alright, what I'm guessing is this, oh shit, I don't know. That almost looks like that. This seal, this front piece came off here. If you look, trying to get in front, that piece came loose. I'm guessing this piece might be that piece, that seal in there. I'm guessing that's what it is. It's the same size. Alright, so I guess that's where that goes. So I have to figure out how to get that one out. and get that one in. I'll worry about that later. Alright, so looks like most of the fluid's gone. Oil's already been drained, and what I'm guessing is that the oil's going to run out once I start taking the stator cover off. So that's going to be my next step, and let me just show you what it looks like here. Drop my hands off a little bit. Alright, so I've got that shaft coming out. I'm guessing the shaft might just stay there. But that's the seal right there I'm going to replace. And if you look just below there, you can see the hose. Let's see my finger point. That's the hose where it's leaking from. So it's like right behind this, inside this cover. So that's where I'm having the issue. So I'm going to go ahead and stop the video now and start it up again with removing all of the stator stuff, the stator cover. There was this Kawasaki. I'm going to take that off, but like I probably don't even need to take that off. I'm going to take it off anyway just to make sure. Make sure I don't need it. But anyway, thanks for watching, and check out the other videos. Once again, this was the 2005 Kawasaki KFX. Removing the water pump cover and the impeller, trying to get back to the mechanical seal. Thanks for watching, and check out the other videos. Have a good night. Bye.